Hello, welcome back to another car transporting vlog where we are transporting a go-kart. Somewhere behind all this. I don't know if you can see it, it's very dark. Straight over, that way. We're transporting a go-kart to a car park where we're going to play on it and then transport it all the way back home. Just putting some petrol in it, in the petrol station. It's not going to take much, I don't think. Exactly £1.90 in fuel.
Go on, big man.
When I said we put the seat on, it's cable tied on and we need to put more cable ties on it.
You can take my place. I'll hold the store.
Yeah, come on, Jack. Right, so I bought this go-kart like last year and we tried it and the seat was way too small, so we took that off. And I had this bucket seat in the garage, but it doesn't fit down there, so we got it there and we trialled it in my garden and it worked. That's on my Instagram if you bothered. And it works, so we're just cable tying it more. That looks well good. So that's safer than anything.
One of those cable ties has 18 pounds of tensile strength.
18 pounds, so we need like 25.
There's 18 pounds is going to be...
How the hell do you know that?
Google.
No, yeah, he hasn't even just googled that. He just knows.
He's got that new Google brain.
Can get them on the front, round the rail, round the bar to move the seat forward. That doesn't work. There's a lot of mosquitoes about. It's this hot weather we're having. Bloody lovely though. Oh, right, okay. I'm satisfied. Are you satisfied?
Yeah.
Okay, let's trial it.
What's he doing?
That's still recording. I've just smashed the back of the screen on this. Really, really badly.
Really, really badly. I heard the words come out of his mouth.
It works. It works well. I'm just really gutted. I just smashed that GoPro. It's gonna tip over. It feels like it's gonna tip. Oh shit! It nearly tipped over.
It's coming off this.
So dangerous. This pushed into that and it ran it over and yeah, I'm not happy now. I've done that too many times.
It still works.
Yeah, it still works. Just the back's all smashed.
We told him that happened.
Did you see me nearly tip over though? Yeah. Pull it. Thanks, Jack. Who else is having a go?
There's a seatbelt.
No seatbelt, sorry. Do you want a cable tie? 10 cable ties, you can cable tie them in. Work it, Jack.
Why isn't it doing it?
I don't know, how the switch isn't on.
Oh,
Big red switch.
where's the big red switch? Why would you turn it off?
He needs to be really careful because it will just tip. The shit will hunt him. And you're quite high up now, so head injury if it falls over. Did he nearly just tip?
He shit himself there. Straight back after that one.
I'm recording on my iPhone now because GoPros can't see shit at night.
What? You're a little video? Of course. Can't find my keys.
Oh, you can see me, near me. I've lost Rob's keys, so I've got to try and find them. Oh, there's a dirt bike's just appeared. Should I have a race? I know I need to find the keys. It's actually a really good search and rescue vehicle. I can leave right out. Jack's leaving us, he's gone home for tea. I haven't found the keys yet, I'm still looking. Shit.
Later that same evening.
Look what I've just found. I had a feeling that they would be somewhere around here. Oh, there's the smash GoPro. Shit. I got them. They're over here. I can't see where I'm going now. Having a go. Yeah, don't kill yourself though, it's fucking dangerous like. It leans over like, so just be dead careful when you corner. It's alright, just don't go too fast. When you turn and you're going dead fast, it'll just fall.
Is that the go?
That's go and that's brake. Some random lads just turned up, so I thought I'd give them a go on the go-kart. Share the fun. Oh, now I've lost my lighter. We need to start emptying our pockets before we go on this thing. We're gonna have a quick race. This lad on the bike. 3, 2, 1, go! Go, 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 go! Close this. I'm going. That's on. This thing's well slow, we need a bigger engine. I'm so sweaty, I'm not used to the UK being this hot at all. Back in the van with Ram. And I lost that race, I don't know if you saw. I'm out of breath from putting the go-kart in the back, it's bloody heavy. Right, we're going home anyway, so probably end it there. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one. Bye bye.